in need of a new power strip, so I got this one. It is a surge protector as well, which is great. So many other good features too. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. So here are some things that I really love about this power strip that I read online. So first of all, it has 8 ports here. That way you have lots of different options for charging. And it also has 2 C ports and then 2 USBs. So that is great. Just so much areas to charge. As I mentioned, this has a power surge function as well. So this has a 9-point protection safety system. That way, if there's like overcharging, it'll shut off, or electric strike, it'll shut off. That way you can always know that your devices are protected. This is also surprisingly waterproof. So you can use it for outside if it's raining or even getting splashed or even like running water, just you can't submerge it. So that's great if you have like maybe a patio or something like that where you have a lot of things like patio lights and different things like that that you want to plug in. This is going to be great for that. And lastly, what I really love about this one is that it has a flat plug. So that way it's not going to be sticking out and taking lots of space. It'll just kind of just go right into the wall, and you could put furniture up against it and not have to worry about it sticking out. So let me go ahead and plug it in and show you how it works. So this power strip is great. I can't believe how much I can charge all at one time. Everything is getting charged and it's wonderful. Another thing I love too is that it's white. I have a lot of white walls and trims and things like that, so it doesn't really stand out. I really like that about this. So if you're looking for a new power surge protector outlet, I think this is a really great buy, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. Thanks for watching.